Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to add PDF in Google Docs. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open a new tab. Then you want to open your Google Drive on your email. So I'm going to click on Google Drive. Then I will choose the PDF that I want to attach it. So I'm going to click on New, then click on File Upload. Then I'm going to go and upload the PDF that I want to add. Let's say it is this PDF, for example. I'm going to upload it first. Then here I have it. I'm going to click on Open File Location or open the PDF itself, just like so. Then after that, I'm going to click on the share button on the top right side. Then I'm going to click on this option right here, the general access. Then I'm going to click on anyone with the link. Then I'm going to copy the link, and I can even give it the editor access or commenter or viewer access. Then I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to paste it right here, just like so. And this is how we can actually add or insert a PDF inside your Google Docs. If you click on insert and search here for PDF, you cannot find it actually. And even if you click on image and click on upload from your computer, it will not actually be able to add the PDF. It will only add images. But if you click on all files, you can now click on the PDF as you can see. So you just have to click on all files, then click on the PDF, then click on open, and this will actually not insert the PDF. So I've shown you the optimum method in order to add your PDF, but you cannot add it this way. You can only add it as a link. And that's all for today's video. If you find helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.